All right, it's a garage studio that the owner converted. We recently wired it, and they actually went ahead and drywalled it, painted it, insulated it. Looks good in here. We got recessed lights. I was concerned it wasn't going to be enough lights, but it's definitely enough. Looks pretty bright and it's illuminating pretty much every corner. We got an exhaust fan in case she has some fumes and stuff. She picked this one. I thought it was a good choice. There's a mini split that's actually up here. It's a 120 volt version, and for this space, it's I would say it's perfect. It puts out enough cool air, and it's on the remote control. Let me turn that off before I forget. And she picked up some fans. They're the close mount, so they put out good air also. And we got outlets distributed around the unit. She started putting some of her stuff in here. That's why it's kind of congested, a little congested, but not really. And here's another viewpoint. And I think a plug may have gotten covered up. I'm going to see if I can find that. Other than that, that is it. Oh, we got electrical panel here. Put a sub panel in. I just labeled it. Everything that was here. And we got this pipe here. And that was our trench back to the house. And we got another light here. Oh, I just saw something that we didn't get rid of.